My name is Charlotte Chang, and I am a postdoctoral fellow at the National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. My research focuses on wildlife hunting in the tropics. Overhunting has caused regional and even global extinctions of species. There is evidence that excessive hunting pressure on wildlife has cascading effects for forests, carbon sequestration, and even nutrient dispersal between habitats. Moreover, wild meat can be a primary source of protein for vulnerable rural populations in the developing world. Thus, overhunting today can lead to severe societal issues in the future. Yet managing hunting has remained challenging due to the complexity of the biological richness of species that are harvested and limited financial resources and personnel for monitoring and enforcement. I use a variety of tools to explore how hunters interact with and impact communities of wildlife, including statistical and theoretical models, interviews of hunters, and scientific surveys of birds and mammals. The scope of my work has ranged from individual sites, largely in Southwest China, to global data sets. In the past, I have used economic models to describe hunter diet choice, and I've written statistical software to facilitate interviews and analyses on sensitive topics, including hunting. So at Nimbus, I'm exploring how the motivations of hunters affect the ecological impacts of harvesting. This was inspired by my previous finding that hunters who value hunting for non-material reasons, including cultural norms or dietary preferences, may be less likely to stop harvesting when animal populations are dramatically reduced. This could then lead to a greater risk of overharvesting. I am also using simulations to describe how human population density and harvesting behavior could lead to changes in seed dispersal and forest structure in tropical forests globally. Finally, I'm starting a project using big data to track trends in wildlife seizures around the world.
For more information about postdoctoral fellowships at the National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis, visit our website at www.nimbus.org.